I truly believe manufacturing the Edge X4 would not be possible without the WALTER Heliotronic Power Diamond machine. My name is Casey King, and I'm the CFO and co-owner of West Ohio Tool Company. West Ohio Tool began as a regrinding shop for consumer applications, and since then, we are now manufacturing industrial, custom PCD and carbide cutting tool solutions. So our Edge X4 allows us to produce PCD drilling capabilities that wouldn't ordinarily be possible. Without the Heliotronic Power Diamond, we would not have been able to make the Edge X4. What that has done for our customers, one example we have in the South recently, we went down, had a customer visit, they were having some cutting tool issues. Aluminum, if not cut properly, will harden on cutting tools like chewing gum. They presented us with those tools and said, my customer would just like to cut 10 parts. So we asked what their goal was. We took down our Edge X4, we put it in the same day, and by the end of the day, they were already producing 3,700 holes. Before United Grinding had a solution for erosion, we were forced to purchase a machine from a competitor. Unfortunately, that didn't work out. We were forced to send it back, and it wasn't until United Grinding developed the Heliotronic Power Diamond that we were able to finally mass produce the Edge X4. The Edge X4 has been transformational for our business. We have been able to offer new technology to our customers that have allowed them to have less scrap, less downtime, significantly higher tool life, which in the end significantly reduces cost per hole. The WALTER Power Heliotronic machine has allowed us to offer solutions that we would not have been able to offer without it.